It is recommended that the load pickup tool be cleaned and inspected every 25 operations or 90 days, whichever is soonest. Release tool to the closed position by pulling lanyard. Remove 2 slotted head screws from handguard. Remove 2 handguard halves from tool housing by pulling straight out. This will disengage the 2 brass pins that are molded into the handguards. Pull on the lanyard to remove contact latch assembly. Remove spring and contact rod from the tool. Unscrew and remove the head. Upper contacts can now be seen in the bottom of the head. Clean contact fingers and inspect for worn or damaged spot. Clean conductor contact surfaces with a wire brush. Inspect the lower contacts and the end of the contact latch assembly. Clean the contact fingers and inspect similar to the upper contacts. Inspect contact rod for pitting and roughness. Remove any roughness with a fine emery cloth. Inspect latch area on the contact rod. If worn, replace the contact rod. Remove screw, lock washer, latch spring, and spacer. Inspect end of the latch spring for wear or burrs. Correct or replace latch spring as needed. Apply a coating of Conducto Lube contact grease to contact fingers of upper and lower contacts. Clean all plastic parts inside and out with a soft, damp cloth with ethyl alcohol only. To reassemble the tool, install the spring and contact rod into the contact latch assembly by pushing firmly on the contact rod until it latches into the contact latch assembly. Install the cable latch assembly into the main tool housing, taking care to line up the slot in the white plastic sleeve on the contact latch assembly with the holes in the tool housing. Install 2 lower handguard halves, ensuring that the attachment pins engage the holes in the tool. Install the 2 captivation screws in the handguard. Reinstall the head and pull on the lanyard to ensure the load brake tool is working properly. The tool is now ready to use. Please call customer service for more information.